What up, YouTube? Big Reggie 21 coming at you with a little update with the Fusion. Got my Pioneer going back in there. My AVH 4400 going back in there. Already got everything mostly taken out already. Pretty easy. Got to run the Bluetooth cord and iPod, USB, all that. Got all the wiring hooked up. Got the kit. You gotta get a special kit for these. Got this Scotch joint, whatever how you say it. Got them right here. This is the factory, and this is the aftermarket one. Color looks the same, but I really don't like the texture of that one. But I'll get back at you when I'm done. Alright, peace.